Brought to you by Whatever in Minutes. Our society has been evolving rapidly. With technological advancement, many jobs have been replaced. Many items have become obsolete, and who knows, one day we would be able to travel to other planets for holiday. There are always new inventions, and they are often replacing the daily items we have been using. Do you know what items will be gone in 20 years? Let us tell you now. Number 1. Newspaper and magazines. How many of you are still buying newspapers and magazines from newsstands? It will sound like a thing from the past soon. Newsstands are disappearing. Why? Hard copy versions are no longer popular anymore. Most people go online for a quick fix of digital news and information. It is so convenient to go online, and the reduced use of paper promote environmental friendliness. Moreover, who doesn't have a smart device that can access all these? Number 2. Ignition car key. Ignition key entry is disappearing fast. Newer cars are now equipped with keyless entry systems. So, how amazing is the new technology? Just be within distance from your car while the remote is in your pocket or bag, and the car will be unlocked for you automatically. And how do you start and switch off the engine without an ignition key? Simply press the start, stop button, and you are good to go. Sounds fascinating, isn't? Number 3. Alarm clock. Are you still using an alarm clock to wake up every morning? With the existence of mobile devices, alarm clocks are being phased out fast. Most of us sleep with our cell phones beside us, and it's convenient to set an alarm from our cell phones to wake us up the next morning. So that's another item that will be gone in 20 years. Number 4. Radio. Do you still listen to music on the radio? It seems old-fashioned, isn't it? The radio used to be an important device that provided us with communication and entertainment purposes. However, people are ditching the use of radio for modern electronic devices. You can now listen to music and radio via programs on your computer and cell phone. And with the strong presence of online streaming music companies, who needs a radio? Number 5. Payphones and phone booths. Almost everyone owns a cell phone now. Do you still remember, when was the last time you entered into a phone booth? And if you did, most probably it was to avoid the rain. So do you still need a payphone? Yes, when your cell phone runs out of juice. However, with the emergence of portable cell phone chargers, you probably won't require payphones anymore, therefore it is very likely they will be gone in 20 years. So what are the other things you think that could be gone in 20 years? Let us know in the comments below. If you find the video interesting, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Please click the subscribe button for more interesting videos.